welcome to Wise Link Academy. Today we'll look into geometric construction. As you can see the question below. Draw a line AB 80 millimeter long and bisect it. Right? Bisect it. Our first task here is to draw a horizontal line. So if I have a line this way, right? If I have a line this way, so draw horizontal line this way. So let's pick a point. Let's say I pick this point. This is my point A. Now we are told to what? Measure what? 80 millimeter. So from this point here, right, to this point is given to be 80. So I call this point my point B, such that AB is equals to what? 80 millimeter. Right? What's the next task? You say draw a line AB of what? 80 millimeter. This is it here. The next task is what? And bisect it. What's the concept behind bisection? It simply means that bisection helps to divide line into equal parts. Now, how do I bisect it? I can bisect any given line with the use of my what? Of my compass, with the help of my compass. So I will simply take the radius from this point to this point, as you can see, to my point A, strike an arc up here, strike an arc down, as you can see, come to point A, strike and cut the arc, and come to point B and cut the arc. Let me show what I'm doing. So where they meet, right? Where they meet, so this one meets at this point here, and this meets at this point. So I will join them together, right? With the help of my meter rule. Join this point here to this point. So where they meet, I join it. So I call this my point what? This is A, this is B, this is point C, this is my point D, this is my point E. Right? So if I measure it, automatically, mathematically, from here to here is what? 80. So if half of 80 is what? It's going to be 40. So if I measure it, I should be having 40. From this point to this point is 40, as you can see. So from this point here to this point is 40, as you can see in front of you. So therefore, AE is equal to EB, such that they are what? 40 millimeter. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you and welcome to Wise Link Academy.